All right, guys, we made it to the first job site. We're out here in Lewisville, Texas. We got Alex and we got Rashad. Rashad is inside of the attic. What we're doing today, the first job, is we're gonna be replacing this powered fan up on the roof right here, this power exhaust fan, with a attic solar powered fan. Now this customer here told me that they have replaced this fan 2 times already in the last 7 years. It keeps burning up. So we're gonna go back with a solar powered one. It has a lifetime warranty, has a DC motor, and since it's powered by the sun, he'll always have electricity. Let's go check it out. What's up, Alex? All right, check it out. So here is the power fan that we're going to be removing. Now the benefits of going with a solar attic fan, aside from the fact that you'll never have to use your own electricity, it comes with a lifetime warranty. It's rated for heavy hail, heavy winds. It's actually rated for hurricane winds and Texas winds here. So this customer is going to have, hopefully, a fan that's going to help reduce the load inside of that attic space, which will then in turn make his HVAC unit work a little bit more efficient. Rashad, you in there?
Captain America.
Hold on, Alex, what'd you say?
Captain America.
Let's go. You're the Captain America of the HVAC world. Yes, sir. What'd you say? Okay. When people think about HVAC, they think about their air conditioning or their heating system, but the V in HVAC is for ventilation, and that is a critical part in the ecosystem of your homes or commercial or business air conditioning and heating system. The ventilation portion of it is very critical. It helps reduce the stress of the load inside of your attic space, which would then in turn reduce the stress and the load from your HVAC equipment, prolonging the life and making it more efficient. So having proper ventilation in your attic space is very critical. Now, when this customer called us in and said, hey, I think my attic fan's not working, one, he already had an idea because he's had to do this in the past. But he found out, he told us as we asked him, like, how did you kind of figure out that was the reason? He told us that his internet started to go down, and we're like, his internet? Well, what's causing the internet? In his attic space, he has the data center, so a little area where he has all the routers, and he has a lot of the internet cables, and in the attic, it got so hot that the router itself overheated and shut down. So he would lose internet midday, and they couldn't really figure it out, and the internet provider said, no, you have internet coming in. And he found out, went up to the attic, and it was so hot. And the reason why it was hot, because this fan right here, it is a powered fan, so it's powered directly to 110 volts. Now check it out, this thing is completely seized up, and it's a very common thing for these types of fans to do that. So that's why we're gonna go back with that attic solar fan for him. Now, in your roof, if you already have a attic solar fan, or maybe you have a whirlybird, you already have the hole in place. If you don't have a power fan or an attic fan or anything like that, our team is going to come out here. We're going to find the optimal location in your roof, depending on the square footage, how many fans we're going to put. In this particular one, we're only going to go with one. And since this one already has the holes, it's very critical that when we are removing the old one, we're very careful with the shingles. Alex is a master with the pliers here, getting all the nails off, and it should just slide out easily like that. All the power cords, everything has been disconnected already. We won't be using that anymore. And check it out. Here's the hole for this new attic solar fan. So now we're going to show you the base and then how we seal it and then putting the fan into action. Good job, Alex.
Yes, sir.
All right, now our attic solar fans come with a really sturdy, very heavy metal base, and that's to help support it to the roof, help support it with winds and storms like we get here in North Texas. Now right now Rashad, what he's doing is he's lining up the base and he's trimming around all of the shingles to make it look nice, professional, and that the hole that's on the roof is fully exposed to the exhaust fan. Check it out, these are called whirlybirds. So these don't have any motors. They're not powered by any kind of solar, no motors in them. These right here only operate off of the pressure that's inside of the attic space and exhausts it all out. All right, now Rashad cut all of the shingles, made it look nice and pretty. We got the hole exposed. The hole is gonna be wide open to this flashing. Alex put the adhesive. Now we're gonna slide it in there, screw it, close it up, seal it, and let's get this attic solar fan off and running. What's the trick?
Huh?
What'd you say, what's the trick?
Sliding without drag.
Like a glove. All right, and that is as simple as that. The guys have it lined up. They got it sealed from the bottom, and now all they got to do is screw it to the bottom portion of it, put some coloring and some silicone on top of that to seal all those penetrations, and then we're gonna go ahead and get that attic solar fan installed and watch it get to work. All right, so the flashing is in place, it is sealed, it is secure, it is ready to go. Time to put in that attic solar fan. All right, now this particular attic solar fan has a sensor in here. Now this sensor gets dropped into the hole, and this is what reads the temperature, it reads the humidity. Look at that, little bit of sun, it's already on. But let's get this dropped in there.
Like the whole twist.
All right, the guys have put it into place. Now you're wondering, how is it going to absorb the energy from the sun? Great question, Alex. Let's go ahead and set it up. And just like that, as soon as the sun touches the solar panels, that fan kicks on. And you can't feel it, but I hope you can hear it. It's exhausting all of that heat. Look at that. All right, and just like that, we have restored ventilation to this customer's house. We have the attic solar fan already dispensing a lot of heat. Now this customer, since he bought this attic solar fan, he's going to be able to claim up to 30% of the total bill when he does his taxes, because it is a energy upgrade to his home. We installed it, and we're going to register the equipment warranty for this customer, and he's going to have an attic solar fan hopefully that lasts us a lifetime. Plus, if it does fail, it does have that lifetime warranty. Hope you guys enjoyed this video here. If you are in the Metroplex, that's Dallas, Fort Worth, McKinney, wherever you're at, and you are interested in upgrading the ventilation in your home or your insulation, any of those two parts, or if you're in the market for a new HVAC unit or you want to tune up, whatever it is, anything that falls under the HVAC banner, give us a call, guys. We provide free second opinions, free estimates. We're located across the entire Metroplex, and we'll be able to get to you as soon as possible. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and Prime family, like always, stay cool, stay comfortable, and we'll catch you on the next one.